Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another video everybody. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope that I'm here to entertain and teach everybody watching. And that's right, again, in today's video, we're unboxing some stuff, but this time it's a little bit different. So this order has been stored at Bullion Now for about a month, couple of weeks, and I decided to get it shipped out because I was just so excited. I couldn't wait to pick it up. So here we have another delivery, and I'm so excited to open this up and show you guys everything inside. Well, no point waiting, let's head right in. So I'm very excited to get into this order. It's some stuff that I think a lot of you may not actually have heard of. They're not a very well-known product. I mean, they're an amazing one, but not a very well-known piece. So very excited to show you guys. And this time we actually have a bit of a bigger looking box from Bullion Now again. And you guys will see why in a minute. So here we have this spectacular box. Let's get it open. Alright, so we'll see why it's this big in a couple of minutes. Hopefully not a couple of minutes. I want to get into this as soon as possible. But once I figure out how to open it, oh, there we go. I'll be very excited to show you guys that this box is actually upside down. No, this box actually has some really exciting stuff in it. So we met with the Bullion Now box. This is like a proper unboxing today. What do we have here? Oh, it's another letter. Thank you guys. What? Oh my god! Oh my... Greeting Ethan at Investing for Kids. Thank you for your order. We have included some empty capsules and a tube as you requested. Yes, that's right. Asked them for some capsules and tubes. They very kindly met that order, so thank you very much, guys. Also included in this parcel is a gift from one of our customers who wishes to remain anonymous. They asked us to send you a Beneath the Southern Skies 1 ounce silver coin. Looking forward to seeing you on YouTube again soon. Kind regards, the Bullion Now team. What? Oh my goodness! I have to assume that the person that did this is watching, but thank you so much. I have no idea who you are, but that means so much to me. I cannot believe that. That is absolutely incredible. I'm so grateful. Thank you so very much to one of you people watching. That is so thoughtful and kind of you. So a big thank you to whoever that was. Wow. Okay. There's so many different bubble wrap things in here. We'll just go out one at a time. So we have the first bit here. What is this? I think this is the actual order. Okay, this is the actual order. So I think we'll save that for a little bit. And we'll just get this first one open here. So in this bit, we have, drumroll please. This is actually very exciting. Whoa! It's the Beneath the Southern Skies. Wow, thank you so much. I'll get a close-up on everything as per usual, but this is a fat coin. This is amazing. And it's got a different obverse. This is incredible. Thank you so much to whoever did this. This is like completely a surprise to me. I did not expect any of this. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much to whoever that was. Wow. Okay, so we'll get to the smaller one here. Oh, yes. Thank you very much for these. We've got a bunch of capsules. Oh, that'll be very helpful. I did have a few things that were not in capsules at the moment, so very glad that I could stock that up. Oh, this is getting better and better. What? Okay, so here we have, I believe, we have a United States Mint tube. That's a great tube there. And I think this is the Royal Canadian Mint. I may be wrong. Tell me if you guys know. It looks a little bit like a maple leaf, but I may be wrong. You guys let me know. But we have some tubes, capsules, everything. Wow, this is such an exciting day. I did not expect all this. And now what you probably came here for in the first place, due to the title, makes it seem a bit smaller now based on everything else here. But here we go. Oh yes, these are amazing. Okay, here we have 3 1 ounce CPG cast bars. So these are the CPG manufacturing group. They're Australia based. Do have some of their minted bars on the channel. It's actually been one of the more popular videos here. If you guys want to check that out, CPG minted bars. So they're the flat, fancy looking ones. But these are just good old hunks of silver, and I love them so much. These were so appealing to me. I really wanted some of these because you don't have to worry about holding these. Like they don't have capsules or anything like that. They're just little hunks of metal, a bit like poured silver really are, but in a very, very nice way, and I'm such a massive fan. So we've got the regular CPG logo on the front, which I'm a big fan of. It looks very formal and, very blocked in a good way. So I really like the design of the CPG logo. And we also have 1 ounce fine silver 999 on the back. And holy macaroni, I was not expecting any of this. What? I mean, I was expecting the cubes, and I wasn't even expecting, I was expecting one tube and just like a few capsules, but these guys just made my absolute day. And we also have the CPGs as known, but the Southern Sky, like who did that? Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, this is just absolutely incredible. I'm so grateful to that person that's done that for me. I'm lost for words, really. It really means so much to me. So thank you very much. I guess that's it for today's unboxing. Lots of fun as per usual. Obviously the unboxing part's done, but I need to give you guys a better look because every time I forget, I hear people saying, Ethan, you forgot to show me up close. But here we go. We'll flip it around and show you guys up close. All right, let's start with these beautiful pieces here. So these are the CPG ones. As you can see, CPG Group, that's their logo. And then 1 ounce fine silver 999. So very nice pieces. Very glad to have these. You can just hold them. You feel like, I don't know, Scrooge McDuck or whatever you want to call these. These do remind me a lot of the ABC gold cast bars, the 1 ounce gold cast bars. Very similar design, similar size. But I really am a big fan of the CPG cast and minted bars, but my favorite of the two is the cast bars, and I don't think that these get a massive mintage. I think that from what I saw on the Bullion Now YouTube channel, check it out by the way, I don't think that they regularly mint a lot of these. I think they were specifically asked for, but I may be wrong. I am a very big fan of these though, and they are definitely a very big highlight of my stack now. And also, just for those of you who are interested, the extra unboxing in today's video, the $1 1 ounce 4/9 fine silver. Wow, what an incredible piece. I'm such a big fan of this. And as you can see, it is very chunky. It's a very big capsule to start with, but very, very chunky coin there. Big fan of that one. And a really nice different effigy of Her Majesty with the, the globe, I guess you could say, in the back there. Elizabeth II, Australia, 2020. So another 2020 piece to add there. We got the mint mark, not the mint mark, the designer mark there. I always like how shiny and, I don't know, it looks like molten silver on the queen, because it's all shiny in that way. So I really like that part of it. And I'm a really big fan of the piece. So another awesome one to add to the stack. Very grateful to whoever this was. Really made my day. And just for those of you, in case you know, please let me know in the comments where this is from. I believe it's the Royal Canadian Mint, but I may be wrong. So very glad that I have some tubes to put my coins in, Never know when you might want to do that. I do have some pieces, like, for example, the kookaburras that I have more than others in. So I think it'd be nice to have something to put them in. So big fan of these. Good to have some tubes, some capsules. So a massive thanks to the Bullion Now team once again. And thanks to the person who sent this anonymous gift. I'm such a big fan of it. So thank you very much. Thank you to all of you for watching. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more awesome future videos. That's all for now, guys. Lots of exciting stuff to come. Still lots of exciting stuff happening every day. So very, very, very happy with these. Very happy with my day today. So thank you everybody for watching. That's all for now. And until next time, goodbye.